Hello, everyone. Let's continue with the historical development of organizational behavior. Today, I will talk about Henri Fayol's administrative theory. Henri Fayol, a prominent figure in the early development of organizational behavior, significantly contributed to the field through his formulation of administrative theory. Fayol's work, particularly his delineation of management functions and principles, provided a comprehensive framework for organizational administration and is considered foundational in the study of modern management practices. Fayol, a French mining engineer and executive, outlined his ideas in his seminal work published in 1916. His administrative theory emphasized a top-down approach to management, focusing on the roles and responsibilities of managers rather than the work of the individual employees, as was the case with Frederick Taylor's scientific management. Central to Fayol's administrative theory are his 5 functions of management, which he argues are essential for effective organizational administration. Planning, developing a roadmap for future activities, setting objectives, and outlining the necessary steps to achieve these goals. Planning involves forecasting future conditions, evaluating different courses of action, and selecting the best strategies to achieve organizational objectives. Organizing, establishing the structure of the organization, determining the roles and responsibilities, and allocating resources effectively. Organizing ensures that tasks are assigned appropriately and that the organization's resources are used efficiently. Commanding, directing and leading employees towards the achievement of organizational goals. This function involves making decisions, communicating directives, and motivating employees. Coordinating, ensuring that all parts of the organizations are working together harmoniously towards common goals. Coordinating involves integrating activities across different departments and ensuring alignment of efforts. Controlling, monitoring organizational performance, comparing it with established standards, and taking corrective actions when necessary. Controlling ensures that the organization remains on track to achieve its objectives. In addition to these functions, Fayol proposed 14 principles of management, which serve as guidelines for management behavior and organizational practices. Division of work. Specialization increases productivity by enabling employees to become experts in their tasks. Authority and responsibility. Managers must have the authority to give orders and the responsibility to ensure they are executed properly. Discipline. Employees must obey and respect the rules and agreements that govern the organization. Unity of command. Each employee should receive orders from only one superior to avoid confusion and conflict. Unity of direction. The organization should have a single plan of action to guide managers and workers. Subordination of individual interest to the general interest. The interests of the organization should take precedence over the interests of individual employees. Remuneration. Compensation should be fair and provide satisfaction to both the employees and the employer. Centralization. The degree of centralization or decentralization of decision-making should be appropriate to the specific circumstances of the organization. Scalar chain, line of authority. A clear line of authority from top management to the lowest ranks ensures an efficient organizational structure. Order. There should be an orderly placement of resources and people in the organization to ensure efficiency and effectiveness. Equity. Managers should be fair and impartial when dealing with employees, promoting a sense of fairness and loyalty. Stability of tenure of personnel. Long-term employment is important for the development of skills and loyalty among employees. Initiative. Employees should be encouraged to take initiative and innovate within their roles. Esprit de corps. Team spirit. Promoting team spirit will build harmony and unity within the organization. Fayol's administrative theory has been highly influential in shaping modern management practices and organizational theory. His emphasis on the functions and principles of management provided a systematic approach to organizational administration that has been widely adopted and adapted in various contexts. Fayol's work laid the groundwork for later developments of management theory, including human relations movement and system theory, which expanded on his ideas by incorporating social and psychological aspects of management. Despite its contributions, Fayol's theory has been criticized for its prescriptive nature and its focus on top-down management. Critics argue that his principles may not be universally applicable, particularly in dynamic and complex organizational environments, where flexibility and adaptability are crucial. Moreover, the theory does not put much emphasis on human motivation, interpersonal relationship, and other complex human behavior. Nonetheless, Fayol's administrative theory remains a cornerstone of management education and practice, providing valuable insights into the roles and responsibilities of managers. By outlining the essential functions and principles of management, Fayol provided a comprehensive framework for effective organizational administration. His work continues to influence modern management practices, underscoring the enduring relevance of his ideas in the study of organizational behavior.